Welcome back, guys. I've got another instructional video for you here, and this is for Adobe Spark. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Spark post. We'll do another tutorial later about how to make a video. So you're going to come over here to the plus sign. This is once you've already logged in. Use your school email to create a free account. Don't sign up for any subscriptions. Don't pay for anything. It is all free. So you come over here to the plus sign, and we're going to have some options here. You could do an Instagram story, Facebook post, web page, which we're not going to use for this one, video, which we'll show later. But I'm going to go ahead and click flyer. That's a nice good size, maybe if I want to print this later. And it'll take a minute or two to load. We've got several options here that you can choose. If it's got a badge, you don't want to choose those because they're going to ask you to sign up for premium or to pay. I'm going to go ahead and click this simple podcast template. Create from this template. So I'll create. It's going to load some graphics. It's going to load some text. It might take a minute. If you get stuck in a loading screen, what has happened to me a couple times, you can easily solve that problem just by coming up and refreshing the page. And typically that takes care of it. So it'll kind of take you to this little loading screen, and then it should pop up with your project. Now remember that we need you to do a little bit of research, and some background knowledge needs to be included, like what's the proper format for washing your hands, how much do doctors recommend you sleep each night, what does proper exercise schedule look like. This is research that you'll be doing on your own. Now once you're ready to put it all in the project, then you have some options. So over here is the add button. You can add text, pictures, icons, or a logo. We already looked at different templates, different designs, colors if you want to change color. I'll show you in just a second. Layout if you have multiple pictures or multiple panels. And you can always resize it into a different project. Let's say you make it for Instagram, then you want to resize it for Snapchat. You can do that here. So I'm going to select this text. And in order to edit text, you simply double click. Click, click. And you're able to change the text however you'd like. Over here you can also change the font. You can change how far apart the font is spaced, the size, letter spacing, line spacing. Over here is where you would change the color. So let's say I want to change the background color and maybe make it more East color. So I've got a color palette here for East. So I'll change it to kind of our almost brick red type thing. And maybe I want to also add the P-Tech logo. Now I have the P-Tech logo, you guys don't have the P-Tech logo. I can resize it, and then notice when I drag it over, it's got these lines that show me when I'm lined up. I'll let go. So I could download it, and this is what you would want to do if you have to email it or attach it to an email or something. But what we're going to use is the simple share button. So you'll go over here to publish. There's a Teams option, but that gets a little tricky if you haven't already linked your accounts. So you're just going to go to the simple link button right here. Click link, and it should generate a link. And then you'll just copy this link, paste it in a Teams message to me. I'll be able to see it on Thursday. So today I'm going to walk you through a rubric so you'll know what you need to include on your project. But this is a simple, easy way to create a professional looking graphic. Thanks for watching.